Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Frigidaire refrigerator beeping. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first, make sure that the door is fully closed. Sometimes items inside can prevent it from closing properly. Now, look at the rubber seal around the door. If it's damaged or broken, it might be, or in this case might need to be replaced because it can cause the door to not seal properly. Next is you want to check inside the freezer and the ice maker for any ice buildup. An ice can block vents and cause issues, and if you find ice where it shouldn't be, defrost and remove it to solve the problem. Next, make sure your refrigerator is not too warm. The temperature should be around 37 Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius. Now, in this case, if it's too hot or too high, the refrigerator might beep. Now, dirty condenser coils can cause the temperature problems. Make sure they are actually clean. Now, if the beeping continues, unplug the refrigerator for a few minutes and plug it back in, and this can reset the system. Also, ensure that the air vents inside the fridge and freezer are not blocked by any food or ice. Now, if the ice is blocking the vents, defrost the compartments to remove the blockage. Now, the beeping might be due to recent power outage or if the fridge was unplugged. Now, if the issue is related to power, pressing the restart button can reset the alarm. Now, also, the alarm might think the door is open even if it's closed, so press the alarm mute button and check if the door switch is actually stuck. Now, if the beeping still doesn't stop, use a multimeter to check the door switch. If it's faulty, you might need to replace it. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.